protecting your position. Suppose you've bought and are long the June 50-45 put spread. Since you bought the long XYZ June 50 put for $6, but sold the XYZ June 45 put for $4, your net debit for the spread is $2. $6 minus $4 equals $2. Your total cost is $2 debit times 100 shares, or $200. The short 45 put can be considered a hedge because the premium you received helps pay for the long 50 put, and you will partially offset your loss from the long put if your bearish opinion is incorrect and the underlying stock price goes up. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.